There was an ashram where students stay and study, where students learn about discipline, art, culture, humanity, history, and many life lessons. In ashram, every student follow their work ethic, discipline, lifestyle, and they all believe in hard work, except one student. He was very lazy, unmotivated, careless, and just opposite to others. He did not listen to anyone, nor did he even try to understand the lessons taught by his gurus. The gurus kept the boy with the rest of the good students so that he could learn something by staying with them. But this did not happen. As time passed, all the students who had spent time studying there had progressed in their lives, but the boy stayed in that ashram without any change. Then one day the master went to that boy and said, I want to give you a huge responsibility because I trust you and you are the only student who had spent the most time in this ashram. I want to hand over this precious black stone and I want you to protect it till I come back. Then the boy eagerly asked, what is special in this black stone? Then the master replied, when this stone touches to any iron or metal, then that will immediately convert it into gold. The boy get amazed because it is the only chance to become rich without doing anything. Then he returned to his room and started dreaming like, I will buy a sea-facing mansion. Then I buy an imported car. Then I marry a beautiful girl, etc., etc. But I will start this from tomorrow. And next morning, he wake up and he feels sleepy. Then he said to himself, oh, I feel sleepy, let's sleep. At noon, I feel hungry. Okay, I will start this after having my lunch. Then at evening, it's become too late. I will definitely start this from tomorrow. Like this, 1 week over. He get news about master return. He get up and reach the market, but he meet his master over there. And master said, bring my stone back. Then the boy asked, please give me just 1 more hour because I want to use this stone. Master said, time is over. You will not get even single minute more. After lot of requests, master said, okay, let's do it together. Boy buy iron pile and then touches with stone. He shocked that the iron pile not converted into gold. He angrily asked, why you lied to me? I know that this is a fake stone. This will not convert any iron pile into gold, but it converted my oldest student into gold. I want to make you to understand the importance of time, because once it's past is past, never come. From this story we understand that the time wait for nobody. Once time past is past. Whatever you want to do in your life, just take action. You will wait for that work, but the time won't wait for you. So stop overthinking and start the task by taking action. Not immediately, but you definitely achieve your goal. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.